Welcome to Motorsports Menia, your trusted source for in-depth automotive content, where we bring you the latest reviews, detailed specs, and honest impressions of the newest cars hitting the market. Whether you're a fan of high-performance machines or eco-friendly daily drivers, our goal is to keep you informed and engaged. In today's video, we're taking a deep dive into the 2026 Toyota Prius, a vehicle that has redefined what a hybrid can be. Known for its fuel efficiency and green credentials, the Prius has now taken a bold leap forward in design, performance, and technology. If you've been curious about what Toyota has done to reimagine this iconic hybrid for the future, then stick around because we're about to break it all down. The Toyota Prius has long been a symbol of hybrid technology. It was one of the first widely adopted hybrid vehicles and has continued to evolve since its debut. Now, the 2026 Prius arrives with a fresh design language, a more powerful and efficient hybrid system, and upgraded interior and tech features that put it ahead of the competition. Toyota has worked hard to shed the Prius's previous reputation as a purely practical car, giving this generation a sleeker, sportier edge while maintaining its excellent fuel economy and eco-friendly nature. Starting with the exterior design, the 2026 Prius is far more stylish and aerodynamic than ever before. Toyota has gone for a coupe-like silhouette with sharp lines and a low-slung roofline, which not only gives the car a more dynamic look but also contributes to better aerodynamic efficiency. The front fascia features narrow LED headlights, a streamlined bumper, and a reimagined grille that blends into the bodywork seamlessly. At the rear, the full-width light bar and sculpted hatchback add to its modern appeal. Overall, the design feels much more premium and futuristic compared to previous versions. Under the hood, the 2026 Prius continues with a hybrid powertrain but with significant upgrades. The new fifth-generation hybrid system combines a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with a pair of electric motors for a total system output of around 196 horsepower. This is a notable improvement over past models and gives the Prius a much more responsive and capable driving feel. Acceleration from 0 to 60 takes just under 7 seconds, making it quicker than you might expect from a vehicle focused on efficiency. The hybrid system is also smoother and quieter than ever before, with seamless transitions between electric and gasoline power. Toyota offers the 2026 Prius in both front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive variants. The AWD model uses an additional electric motor on the rear axle to provide better traction in slippery conditions, a great feature for those living in colder climates. Despite the added capability, fuel economy remains excellent. The Prius is still one of the most fuel-efficient vehicles in the world, offering up to 57 miles per gallon combined, depending on the trim and configuration. The regenerative braking system has also been improved, offering better energy recovery and a more natural brake feel. Inside, the 2026 Prius is a major step forward in comfort, design, and technology. The cabin is more driver-focused and features higher quality materials throughout. Soft touch surfaces, improved seat comfort, and an upgraded dashboard layout make the driving experience much more refined. The new infotainment system is housed in a large touchscreen display placed in the center of the dash. It's fast, intuitive, and runs Toyota's latest software with over-the-air update capability. It includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a cloud-based navigation system, and voice control that responds to natural speech commands. The digital instrument cluster is now positioned further forward on the dash, giving drivers a clear view without needing to look down. There is also a head-up display available on higher trims, projecting vital driving information onto the windshield. Ambient lighting, dual-zone climate control, wireless phone charging, and a premium JBL audio system are available depending on the trim level. The Prius may be known for its efficiency, but Toyota has made sure it doesn't fall behind when it comes to comfort and tech. Passenger space is generous for a compact hybrid. Front seat occupants have plenty of headroom and legroom, while rear seat passengers also benefit from improved legroom thanks to a longer wheelbase. The hatchback design means cargo space is practical and flexible, with the rear seats folding down to expand storage capacity. Whether it's for daily commuting, family use, or road trips, the 2026 Prius has enough space to get the job done. Safety has always been a priority for Toyota, and the 2026 Prius is no exception. It comes standard with the latest Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 suite, which includes pre-collision braking, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning with steering assist, blind spot monitoring, and road sign recognition. There's also a new proactive driving assist feature that can help with gentle braking or steering in certain conditions to support the driver. These features, combined with strong crash test ratings, make the Prius one of the safest cars in its class. The Prius lineup includes several trim levels, allowing buyers to choose between value, luxury, and sportiness. The base trim offers excellent fuel economy and all the essentials, while higher trims add features like a panoramic roof, heated and ventilated seats, larger wheels, and advanced tech options. Toyota has also hinted at expanding the Prius Prime plug-in hybrid version, which offers a longer electric-only driving range for those wanting to do most of their daily driving without using gasoline at all. The 2026 Prius represents a new chapter for this long-standing model. It's no longer just a smart choice for saving fuel, it's also a car you can feel proud to drive. With its upgraded performance, attractive styling, advanced tech features, and excellent fuel efficiency, it has widened its appeal to a much larger audience. Toyota has succeeded in making the Prius not only a leader in sustainability but also a genuinely enjoyable and modern car to own and drive. Thanks for watching this in-depth look at the 2026 Toyota Prius here on Motorsports Mania. If you found this review helpful or learned something new today, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment with your thoughts, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on the latest car reviews and automotive updates. We'll see you in the next video.